I need to tell you something. I can't stop thinking about it.
What happened?
I saw a message on his phone.
Whose phone?
My boyfriend's.
Oh, what did it say?
That's the problem. I don't understand it.
Start from the beginning.
Yesterday, we were sitting together at a cafe. He left his phone on the table. He went to the bathroom. I didn't want to look, but the screen lit up.
And you saw the message.
Yes, a message came from a girl.
What did it say?
It said, "I miss you. When are we meeting again?"
Oh no!
I froze for a moment. I didn't know what to do. I felt nervous, and my hands were shaking.
Did you open the message?
No, I just saw the preview, but it was enough.
What did you think?
I started overthinking everything. Maybe it's just a friend. Maybe I misunderstood, but my heart didn't feel calm.
That must be very stressful.
Yes. I felt uncomfortable sitting next to him after that. I didn't say anything at first. I just stayed quiet and tried to act normal, but inside I was feeling really confused and stressed.
So when did you finally ask him?
After we finished our coffee, I looked at him and I said, "I need to ask you something. Who is the girl that sent you that message?"
And what was his reaction?
He stopped smiling immediately, and for a few seconds he didn't say anything. Then he asked me, "What message are you talking about?"
Did he try to explain it?
Yes, but he looked nervous and kept pausing while talking. He said, "It's just a friend from work. She sometimes texts me about projects." Honestly, I wanted to believe him, but something in his voice didn't feel completely honest, and I couldn't ignore that feeling.
So, what are you going to do now?
I told him I don't want to make any wrong assumptions, but I also need some time to think clearly, because this situation is making me emotionally tired.
That makes sense.
Yes, I don't want to accuse him without proof, but I also can't ignore what I saw on his phone. I think I need distance for a while to understand my feelings better.
That's probably the best decision.
Maybe. But honestly, I still keep thinking about that message, and it's hard to forget it so easily. That's so stressful.
You will figure it out.
I hope so.
Now we will learn some important new words from this conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 1. Message. A text or written communication sent to someone. 2. Phone, a mobile device used for calling and texting. 3. Confused, not understanding something clearly. 4. Nervous, feeling worried or slightly afraid. 5. Overthinking, thinking too much about a situation. 6. Uncomfortable, feeling uneasy or not relaxed. 7. Confrontation, a direct discussion about a problem or issue. 8. Conclusion, a final decision or judgment after thinking. Now listen to the conversation and try to understand these words.
This is the end of our conversation. What do you think about this story? Have you ever had a similar experience? Write your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversations.